Hi there. In this video, we're going to use a few different strategies to add mixed numbers. So our problem is 1 and 1/4 plus 2 and 3/4. I'm going to represent both of these fractions with area models and then combine them. So first, I'm going to draw 1 and 1/4. I color in one box completely, and then the second one has 1/4 colored in. Next one, 2 and 3/4. Two holes completely covered in. The other one has 3/4 covered in. I can see right now that I have three holes completely covered in, so I'm going to count those right off the bat. The next thing I see is that I have 1/4 that I can actually move over to that empty spot in 3/4, and that will give me my fourth hole. So 1 and 1/4 plus 2 and 3/4 equals 4. Next, we're going to add mixed numbers on a number line. I have 1 and 3/4 plus 1 and 3/4. I'm going to start off by plotting 1 and 3/4 on my number line. Note that 1 and 3/4 is the same as 7/4. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the one hole first. The first thing I'm going to do is add that one hole. Take note that one hole is the same as 4/4, so I'm going to make 4 jumps up the number line. Now I'm going to add 3 more fourths. In my last step, I'm going to count on to see where I end up at. So if I count to where I ended, I end up with 14/4. 14/4 is the same as 3 and 2/4, or it's the same as 3 1/2. Our next method, we can add the whole number part of mixed numbers and the fraction part separately, and then combine those two parts. First, I add my two whole numbers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. So 2 and 1/3 plus 4 and 1/3 equals 6 and 2/3. Our last method, we're going to convert to improper fractions and add. So even though we're converting to improper fractions, our denominator will stay the same as 8. To convert to an improper fraction, I take the denominator times the whole. This tells me how many parts are in that whole, so 8 times 1, and then I add the one extra part. So I end up with 9/8. I do the same thing for the other fraction. 8 times 2 equals 16, plus 5 will give me 21. So now I do 9/8 plus 21/8. I end up with 30/8. I can convert this to a mixed number by dividing 30 by 8. If I do that, I end up with 3 remainder of 6, or 3 6/8.